Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify two-factor authentication on your Authy account, full guide step by step clearly. To verify two-factor authentication on your Authy account, start by opening the Authy app on your device. If you have not yet installed the app, download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once the app is open, locate the account you wish to verify. Tap on the account to open the details. Next, you will see a code displayed on the screen. If you are using a backup phone number, ensure it is accessible to receive a verification code. If you haven't set up a backup phone number, select the option to resend the code to your primary device. Wait a moment for the code to arrive via SMS or voice call. Enter the verification code into the appropriate field on the verification screen. Once you have input the code, tap the Verify button. If the code is correct, you will see a confirmation message indicating that two-factor authentication is successfully verified. In case the code is incorrect, double-check that you entered it accurately. If you continue to have issues, request a new code and repeat the entry process. For added security, consider enabling backup codes in your Authy settings. These codes can be used if you are unable to access your primary device. Remember to keep your backup codes in a safe place. After completing these steps, your two-factor authentication will be securely set up on your Authy account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.